Today, welcome to my tutorial on how to do a prop shaft centre bearing on a Disco 3. Firstly, I'm going to say, do not buy a Land Rover unless you can fix it yourself. I have to split the prop in half, firstly, with a hammer and chisel. Get a hammer, get a chisel, get a hammer, split prop.
6.5 hours later.
Yes. So once you've got that off after an hour, in here is a little clip in there, little like circlipy thing basically. And you have to open it up. You then get these bad boys in there. And you like get a bit of a fiddle around in there, open that, and then voila, that is now separated. Now I'll put this in the vise. Now I want to get this off now, so there's a clip on here now. Yeah, to break this clip now as well. There we go. Pull this boot off. Right, remember the orientation, the way this goes. Obviously, when this is falling apart, it's quite hard to see. It goes that way. Now this is the annoying bit. I've got to get the bearing off here. So normally what I do is I get the Serious air chisel on the go. I like seize it up and then it will then you can get the cutter on it. That's that split. There we go. Come over to the press now. Put this bearing puller off, basically, slips under the bearing. I can press down on it and press it off the shaft. So that is the bearing off. This one then goes onto there. So now I have to press this onto there. So you just missed that bit because Mario, the cameraman, decided he wanted to go and get some food from the food van, but it's all pressed on now. Reverse order now. Give this a bit of wipe and then it clicks on. Just like that. All right. Tap this thing down now. And that's how you annoyingly do one of them bearings. Don't want to do it again.